Hey guys, today I want to share my experience with the 3-week diet. 2 months ago, I was 25 pounds overweight. I tried everything from gym memberships to diet pills. None of them worked. Then I came across the 3-week diet website. It said I could lose at least 20 pounds in just 21 days. I gave it a try, and it was one of the best decisions I've ever made. From day one, the weight just started coming off. I couldn't believe it. By the end of the first week on the diet, I'd lost 10 pounds. The fat would not stop melting away. It didn't even feel like I was on a diet at all. I didn't have to starve myself, and I didn't have to do loads of exercise. By the end of 3 weeks, I'd lost a total of 25 pounds. I've been able to keep the weight off the whole time since. I feel healthier, slimmer, and now I can show my body to anyone without feeling embarrassed. If you're looking to lose weight quickly and keep it off for good, I recommend the 3-week diet. It worked for me, and it'll work for you.
If you're not trying to lose weight, if you don't care about revitalizing your body, if you aren't worried about the possible diseases you might get as a result of being outside your ideal weight, you can just ignore this system completely. But I know that if you want to lose weight, the 2-week diet is the best solution on earth. So let's get started. Click the button below to grab your copy right now. Hey, one last thing before I shut this video down. Obesity is the #1 cause of preventable deaths in America. It's not something you can take lightly. In fact, this is quite possibly the most important decision you will make in your entire life. If you choose to take action and join me for the 2-week diet, you could literally save your life. At the very least, you will reduce your risks for many painful and frankly expensive illnesses that are caused by weight problems. Heart disease, stroke, cancer, the risks are massive. You're playing Russian roulette every single day you don't take action. Will you leave your family behind? Will you allow yourself to remain stuck? Or will you take action, choose the easy path to rapid weight loss, and become your best possible self? Today is the day. Click below to get started.